listen to the something them, I want the people them knows them like it.
Where's the inches?
Inches right through.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Good morning to you all. You know the style, so I will on there with the latest mix up and mix downs to the video, and you can just chill. It's an early bird, isn't it? But anyways, if it's your first time over here, so the door is always open, so please consider subscribing. So guys, as you all know, Lava, Chat and Laugh background change, and Spice decided for join.
Spice,
No, I just come to say hi. May I listen to the something them, I want the people them knows them like it.
Where's the inches?
Inches right through. Inches right through.
Cha.
If you look at mix up them, I like it. Me and you have a different, so I'm not stay long tonight with mix up night. I just want the people them to know them like the stuff them, want all the things them. You have a cup of Milo tea, me a drink, but then I have a white bread right here, so
yeah.
I'm gonna eat my white sliced bread and drink my Milo tea and listen, I like it.
Alright then, I like it. You like it?
I love it. Me eat you. Me eat your blood clot. Right. Manalai, Shut and Laugh, have a buzz.
Big up Spice. Great side Spice.
Yeah man, Chat and Laugh get the buzz last night, guys. Spice just a drink her Milo and I watch and I chill. You see me? And if you realize, Spice have style, cause pink nails, pink phone, pink cup, charger, Spice. Yeah man, I Spice that. So up next we are talk about Rosalie. You see me? Yeah man, the girl with happy in her body and them something. Yeah, look like hustler girl, you see me? Yeah, so I don't know who wanna wrap it up, but see it.
Bumbuckler, no.
You love what you say now.
Me not see you go down the place of dark. I want to see you go turn on some light.
Lava. You want some more light?
Yeah, me not see you go, my ear good though.
Yeah, car. Me get a headphone she. So you say now, Lava. Come here, fix up. Right now, my blood a boil.
No.
Right.
No,
blood a boil.
Hear me say to you, Bobby, hear me say to you, because remember the last time, you know, me say you come over here and I will good and you know, you do look for them now and then and then after a word, me just say this big pascas and cuscus just pop up out of nowhere. Me never seen a situation like this. How comes that?
Lava can never text it for me. Lava then was stop text. Lava me take off this cat shit. Alright now my head mad.
Jesus.
My head mad. Shut and laugh. Have a buzz. Wait till now, Lava.
So I just pop up so after a son, now what go on?
Mr. Lava then stop them. Some girl with them throat are rotten out. With them throat all and bam, Lava then stop text it for me.
What on the Bobby? What's your name? Some girl's your name?
I can't call her name Lava. I say, you know, when them said it, she planned for gas station in Lava. I mean, I want to call her name.
Oh, it's a police Peggy.
Yeah. Because she said she licked
She say what?
me lick her and she go lock me up.
Pussy clot. What you talking about? It's Lava place.
Yeah.
So what call on now, what go on now? So how it start?
Yeah, Lava, you know, so if I'm see the guy around the road, I'm say, I got a shop there because she there, and I'm send somebody to go buy one more.
Oh, you're not on a deal from a longer while.
Me and Anna.
Okay.
Lava, the first time, Lava, the first blood clot time, me were up she with a lass. I'm a child shot class. I'm saying, my baby, me just have whop. What y'all say? Hey, girl, no rap in my picnic, you know. Hey, girl, I know say me man and dangerous. Hey, girl, I get the venom in a knee, girl. Let me get mad, you know. Lava, me tear her up.
With a lass?
She come back for a second. With a lass. Whop. wap. Wap.
How long ago was that?
Yeah. From 2015, Lava.
2015 or 2020, so 5 years ago. So like the beat the cool off.
Follow me up.
The beat the cool off now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we're going
Yes,
now.
Lava, look so.
So continue, we're going now.
Yeah, Lava, so Sharon come up now, long time, come up and start the class. Me, I'm a picnic them, I'm a this, I'm a house dirty, I'm a this, and I be have snacks and drinks, my feel me picnic them upon a morning time, and I be all clothes me walk and collect, and me go up and Lava look donation, I said, dirty girl, we are talk about. My house want disinfectant, me say, girl, your pussy, bitch. You're stinking around the hole. You're the most stink that come down your throat. Hey, Lava. You ever there turn it, Lava? And the manual bus. And I want them jar the suits like Lava. The stick still there after the girl mouth. Stink.
Listen, no. Watch out. It's not so good. It's by Monday. Me have open so me make it over by Monday. Listen me. Now, so you can go over the yard. You can go over the yard. You don't have to go right there. Something like no fucking so good. It's a fucking business place. It does, yo. It does so good. But then I was so good. And the argument that we are talking, yo.
Listen, no, Lava, come over me yard.
You can't so good, man.
Alright, okay, done now. Done, okay, done. Yes, and I'm leaving. Lava, listen, no, Lava, come over me yard. I know say dirty, but it can't fit me. So talk no Lava, what you say?
Yeah.
Man say me damn business. I was over next door by my mother-in-law sitting down, and him say me I talk too loud. It's true, me know say me can talk over cell block 1411. When me live over there, me I go now.
I have a space. Over there,
Holy past space is spacious. Holy past space over there.
I can't spin.
Me can't spin and turn and dive. I walk up and down, yeah. Over there me I go right now, shit. So you say no Lava.
Continue to say again now. She talk about this and talk about
yes,
your house one debt allowed.
Your house one debt allowed. I say your pussy one debt allowed. Your big stinking pussy. You're dirty. You're dirty catching. So you know Lava. No, our friend I got like our friend want get information about me. Our friend, you know, like our friend on a beat.
Okay.
On a massacre in 2017. As you got quote and post. So me win the war and me win the court challenge. And she get information about me like this guy knows something about me. Lava, and the girl have a manual under her bed. The girl if you text the manual for money, it'll be like Christmas now. Change the manual and put it out the door. Change the manual and put it out the door, Lava. You have a manual underneath her bed, I stinking friend. I have a manual underneath her bed. Change it. Change it out at Christmas now. What you talk about? Lava? Them look at thinking that them know some egg crab about my mad. Them don't know that. So I'm ready, ready to
come answer a question. She ever come in your house and she talk about your house man, death allowed in your house dirty. She ever come in your house yet?
She never come in my house yet, Lava. When I do chinking in my house.
Okay, that's true.
Lava, when I do chinking, I know the chinking in my house.
Okay, that's true.
Me get rid of chink.
That's true.
I don't want a chink in my house, but I do chink in my house. You got a chink. You got a tiny battle in her throat. The girl throat one bomb. The girl throat one bomb.
So
the girl put up our drink water.
The video I see when you did the gateway and they stand up and say touch me. When was that?
Yesterday. Yesterday. I'm saying see me back the door yard.
Right.
Door yard, see me back the door yard. No way. Door yard, see me back there. Lava, I know. Yeah, no, me can't ready, Mr. When we're time. When me can't ready, Mr. When we're which time. Me don't feel it. I want to feel y'all lick me. I want to meet that when y'all lick me.
Right.
We are going. Mr. Lava is talking. This is man Lava. She run come down here. I'm going at the animal trap next door.
Okay.
And come over. Me just say the animal camp.
What is animal camp?
A camp where them kids pay wild animal. Kind of wild animal alone can't see for them get the man and get up early. Own animal alone, you know goat?
Yeah.
When goat wake up early, man forgot bush gun and grass. Yeah. I said, I'll wake early. As the neighborhood watch. Wake early.
Yeah?
Yeah. Show watch your neighborhood. So make me choose every girl say any day them day me try worry about my pick them again. My good night skip to them. When I beg me fuck when I get them, you gonna know what time it is.
You don't feel like you don't feel like some feelings you have for your back in the days or whatever case when you can't get along. Like probably you gotta take one of money man, she take one of your money man, I don't know or something. I'm just saying I don't know.
She can't.
I don't know.
She can't take my money. I don't want to take my money for take. I fuck she selling a lava.
Oh yeah.
Money pussy, yeah, fuck she sell. I give a beer free head. I fuck she sell lava.
Yeah? Like where the fuck start from? What price the fuck start from? Oh, sick like don't freeze up.
My dad was calling, so I can't pick it up.
Okay.
We sell up lava.
Yes, sir.
Sell $2,000 fuck. I gamble, you know. Now she broke, she got sell a fuck.
Oh, $2,000?
$2,000. She not go pass it. Nobody now pay good for damage goods. You have pay good for damage goods, Laga.
Manala.
Lava, you have pay good.
Alpha Buzz.
Lava, you have pay good for damage goods. Yeah, good for damage.
Alpha Buzz.
The girl pussy damage, Lava, you have pay good for damage goods. Girl pussy damage. Real damage. So she have to give a beer free and that's why her mouth stinks so. The girl, Lava, the girl mouth want more than consecrate. The girl want walk with mouthwash and jazz in her back and shake it up. And if she walk, she goggle her throat. Every walk, she goggle the throat.
What you talking about?
Every walk, she goggle the throat.